Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about why use linked list over array. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Why use linked list over array? Linked list is a data structure that overcomes the limitations of arrays. Let's first see some of the limitations of arrays. The size of the array must be known in advance before using it in the program. Increasing the size of the array is a time-taking process. It is almost impossible to expand the size of the array at runtime. All elements in the array need to be continuously stored in the memory. Inserting an element in the array needs shifting of all its predecessors. Linked list is useful because it allocates the memory dynamically. All the nodes of the linked list are non-continuously stored in the memory, so it means random, and linked together with the help of pointers. Linked list size is no longer a problem since we do not need to define its size and the time of declaration. Linked list grows as per the program's demand in the limit to the available memory space. So basically, the limitation only of linked list is the space of your memory of your computer. So if you have a big memory, let's say 8 gigabytes or 16 or 32 gigabytes, it be utilized by your program. Okay, so that's it, no? So that is end of our tutorial video for today. Why use linked list over an array? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.